In this video, I will show you how to add email address or message button to Instagram. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to go to our profile and click on these three lines right here. We just have to scroll down and tap on account type, and now we just have to switch to professional account. Now, it doesn't really matter how you fill this one up. Click here, as long as you complete the necessary questions right here. So now that's done. You just have to go back to your profile and then click on edit profile right here. Once you're there, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on contact options. You can add public information such as business email, phone number, or Instagram audio calling. So what you're going to do is to tap on business email and then fill that one up. Or you can also fill this one up, the phone number. Now you just have to hit on check. Now, if you want to display this to your profile, all you have to do is to tap on profile display right here. And then clicking on this display category label, as well as display contact info. Now I just have to hit on check. And then go back. And if you refresh it, you'll be able to see this button right here that says contact. This is a way for them to get to know how to contact you or how to reach you out. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.